Ever found yourself in a panic, scrambling to pay a bill you totally forgot about? Or maybe you're just tired of the mental load of remembering all those different due dates. What if I told you there's a way to set it and forget it, so you never have to worry about a missed payment again? Today, we're diving into how to set up automated bill payments with Monzo, making your financial life smoother than ever. Monzo makes this incredibly easy, and we'll walk through the simple steps right now. First up, a quick heads up. The process for setting up an automated payment depends on what kind of bill you're paying. We'll cover two main types, direct debits and standing orders. Let's start with direct debits. This is the most common method for things like your phone bill, energy provider, or subscriptions like Netflix. The best part? You don't actually do anything in the Monzo app to set this up. When you sign up for a service, you provide your Monzo account details, your sort code, and account number. The company then sends a request to Monzo to take the money when the bill is due. Monzo will send you a notification to confirm the direct debit has been set up, and you'll get another heads up a few days before each payment is taken. It's that simple. All you need to do is make sure you have enough money in your account on the due date. Now, what about standing orders? These are perfect for fixed, regular payments you need to make yourself, like paying rent to a landlord or sending money to a savings account every month. To set one up, open your Monzo app and tap on the Payments tab. Then, hit the Standing Order button and tap New Standing Order. From there, you'll enter the recipient's bank details, the amount you want to send, and how often you want the payment to be made, whether that's weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can also choose the start date. Once you've double-checked everything, just confirm, and Monzo will handle the rest. You'll see the payment scheduled in your app and get a notification each time it's sent. So, to recap, for bills that are collected by a company, like your phone or energy bill, you'll be setting up a direct debit with them, and Monzo handles the rest. For fixed payments you need to send yourself, like rent, you'll set up a standing order in the Monzo app. And here's a pro tip for you, use Monzo's Pots feature to keep your bill money separate. You can set up a bills pot and have a portion of your salary automatically moved into it on payday. Then, when a direct debit or standing order is due, Monzo can automatically pay it from that pot, so your main balance is always for spending. With these simple steps, you can automate your finances and free up your brainpower for things that actually matter. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.